Sit down on the green. We'll get started when your whole group gets here.
This isn't your typical practice at Huntington Park.
Raise your hand if you're in line 2.
On this particular day, manager Chris Tremmy, players, and coaches were testing out their teaching skills.
Does anybody else need to get the sign? No.
This is the 5th year Chevy has partnered up with the Columbus Clippers for their annual youth baseball clinic.
We're big in the youth baseball in the community and giving back.
I think it's a really neat experience for kids to be able to come out, get on the field, be around some professional athletes. You know, hopefully they learn a thing or two, but the biggest thing is just get them excited about baseball.
But it's not just one skill that they're learning out here at Huntington Park, it's all of them, like catching pop flies.
Out here we're just practicing different positions and trying to get the fundamentals down.
And hitting.
Nice.
It allows kids like Ethan Tranall to get tips from the pros.
What has it been like working with them?
Shows you like what your potential could be if you really try.
Perfect throw. Nice job.
And a position that's just as important as the infield, pitching and catching. Everything's included in this camp. Have you gotten some feedback from any of the guys?
Oh yeah.
What's that?
I have good pitching form and I can catch decently.
If you're 8 or 9-year-old, 10-year-old, I mean, it doesn't get much better than this right here.
Hide that hand now. There you go. Nice.
You know, they're the root of the game, and, you know, it continues to thrive because of kids continuing to play baseball, and it's just a lot of fun.